When the rains come down in the Ozark Mountains, when the clouds hang low in the Ozark Hills, when the cold springs flow like a silver fountain, then I'll return with a whippoorwill from the blackjack oaks up on Thorny Mountain to the dogwood blooming in the valley below. When the fiddler calls, well, I'll be going back where the ferns and the mosses grow. There's a turkey buzzard sitting in a twisted cedar. There's a rattlesnake hiding in a rocky glade. There's a red-tailed hawk and he's looking for some dinner. There's a black bat sleeping in a limestone cave. When the bloodroot blooms down in Stillhouse Holler, when the salamander spawn down at Turner's Mill, when I hear the sound of the coyote calling, then I'll return to the Ozark Hills. Well, I'm walking on the rim of a limestone canyon. Well, I'm taking my life one step at a time.
One step at a time.
You can keep your city.
Keep your city.
You can keep your mansion.
Keep your mansion.
Just as long as I can walk.
Just as long as I can walk
underneath the pine. When I lay my head by a rippling river, when I rest my bones by a cottonwood tree. Lord, and when I die, just to cover me over, down by the side of an Ozark stream. When the rain comes down in the Ozark Mountain, when the clouds hang low in the Ozark Hills, when the cold springs flow like a silver fountain, then I'll return with a whippoorwill. Then I'll return with a whippoorwill.